midfield with a 4-5-1 setup. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Raxler. What a well-timed tackle. Alba. Striker's ball. Oh, determined challenge there. Passed inside. Good defending. Now, this could be costly. And with the defender now. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, here's Messi. Buffon with another brilliant save. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Salah! And that was a bullet header there. No chance for the keeper. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Verratti with a tackle. It's with the striker. Great chance here. Messi! He's got a shot well wide of the post. Let's take another look at that effort on goal. Forward from the keeper. Raxler. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Here's Rabiot. He's unstoppable with the ball. He's so skillful on the ball. He loves to go past players with the ball. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Oh, well timed. Messi. Oh, here's Messi. Inches away from goal. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Here's Rabiot. Played in field. Alba with the tackle. Sends it long. Suarez. Oh, he's onside. What an opportunity. Can he finish it? That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. The referee checks. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Oh, he did really well there. Striker's ball. Oh, well timed. What a well timed tackle. Messi! Buffon with the save. The defender could be in trouble here. Well timed and good defending. Cavani. Di Maria. Well intercepted. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Messi. Quality defending there. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, here's Messi. Good catch by the goalkeeper. Launched upfield by the keeper. That's good link-up play. They're winning. They need to defend well here. Oh, determined challenge there. Long ball then. Suarez. Oh, it's a clear chance. Is Suarez. Not the best effort there. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Ronaldo. Suarez. Good defending. well timed. Messi. Oh, determined challenge there. Messi. Can he finish it? Oh, he steps up to steal the ball.
And it's full time here, the game settled with a decisive goal.